Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to study how to frame a question. Okay. In the last class, we had studied how to write the steps for the word problem. Yes or no? Yes. So we studied how to write the steps for the word problem and how to find out the answer for the word problem. So today, I will give a question. You have to frame a question for that. I will give the answer and you have to frame a question for that. Okay. One example is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. That is my answer. And what you have to do, you have to frame a question based on this. Okay, so one example is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So how you will make a question, how you will frame a question? I will give one example, that is there are 5 red chocolates and 4 yellow chocolates in a box. How many chocolates are there all together? That is my question. That I made a question for the answer. Okay. So like this way, you also have to frame a question. Understood, my dears? I will give one more example. Listen. And my answer is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So you have to frame a question for that. Who will be doing? Who is ready?
Joanna Joshi.
Okay, Joanna. Okay, Joanna. First, Joanna. Please tell Joanna how to frame a question for this.
12 plus 1.
12 plus 2 is equal to 12. Sorry, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. That is the answer. So you have to frame a question. That means you have to start with the sentence. There are 10.
There are
10.
10 chocolates.
Oh, no, you can take any other thing. Chocolates, no need. Just now I tell about the chocolates.
Biscuits.
What? Biscuits. Okay. 10 orange biscuits. And 2.
2 orange.
Same?
Orange.
Orange?
Fruit.
Fruit.
Yes.
Orange fruit.
Yes.
Okay.
10.
If you are taking the biscuits, you can take the same thing. Okay. So orange biscuits or strawberry biscuits you can take. 10 orange biscuits and 2 strawberry biscuits.
That's it.
In a shop. So how to complete the question? How many biscuits are there? There all together. Understood? So I gave, what is the answer? I gave for 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. And Joanna may frame a question based on that. Okay. Then Ritika. Ritika is ready to tell the answer. So my answer is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So Ritika, how you will frame a question based on that? Okay. Please, Ritika. There are 6 plus 2.
There are orange color paints. There
Six.
are 6 orange color paints and
2
color. Number first number girls and matte number boys.
So how many?
Paints are there in all.
Very good, very good. So that was a wonderful question. Okay, then next who will make a question?
Evelyn. Narrows.
Okay, I will give the chance to Anna Rose. Please, Anna, please unmute. And the answer is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So please frame a question for that.
There are 7 red pencils.
Yes.
And 3 yellow pencils.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
How many pencils
Ah,
And that
ah.
is all.
Very good, very good. So all of you understood how to frame a question? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So please open your Max notebook. Everyone, please open your Max notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And we are going to write like this some questions.
I can open the maths book.
What, Ayan?
I can open the maths book.
Ah, okay, okay. So those who open the book, please write today's date. Today it is
Ma'am, you please book.
notebook, Max notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
3/11. Yes, take a new page.
Okay, ma'am.
And write the date. After that, give the heading, frame,
A story. Frame a story.
frame a story sum. And please write in neat handwriting. Okay. And the first one. The first one is 14 plus 23 is equal to 37. So for this, you have to frame a question. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot see the board.
It will come now. Wait. It will come now.
Okay, ma'am. Come. Yes.
Ah, okay. Please write.
Okay, ma'am.
So for this, how to start? We can start the sentence with there are 14. Here I'm going to use some fruits name. Okay. So here I'm going to use there are 14 oranges. Okay, I'm going to use some fruits. So I'm going to start like this. There are, the first number is 14. So we can start with 14 oranges. And the next number is 23, isn't it? In this question, the first number is 14 and the second number is 23.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
We can frame the story by ourselves.
Now, the first one you write like this way and the second one you can write in your own way. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
14 oranges and 23
Mangoes.
mangoes or apples. It's okay. In a basket. How many fruits? We will call it together fruits. How many fruits are there in all? So like this way, I frame the question. So first you copy this one and the second one you can make in your own choice.
I cannot see the board.
It will come, my dear. Wait a minute. It will come now.
I can see the board. See the board. Ma'am is Maria can see the board
Okay, I will share it again once more.
and share the screen.
Yes.
Ma'am, the second question we have to frame the story by ourselves.
Next question I will give that you can write in your own words.
I cannot see the board. Yes, I cannot see the board.
See, my dears, here there is no problem. Maybe your network issue, that's why. So please wait a minute, it will come now. And if any other problem is there, the same notes I will send to the group also. So that time you can copy. Here so many children are writing, I can see that.
Ma'am, Ritika completed.
Those who completed, please be silent.
Okay, ma'am. I can see the board. Ma'am, write the answer.
This is the answer. Now no need to write the steps and all. This is the answer. Okay. So for when you're getting a question like frame a question, listen, my dears. Whenever you are getting a question like this, frame a question, you have to write this one only. Okay. No need to write the steps and all for this. This is the answer.
Finished.
Okay. Those who completed, please be silent. Let everyone complete.
Okay, ma'am, I silently. Ma'am, please rest. Next one.
Next one, I'll give the question. Like this way, you have to write.
Ma'am,
I
can complete that.
Okay. Those who didn't complete, please write. No problem.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
cannot see the right board. The question we
And the next one is B.
I cannot see the down.
Which one?
I cannot see the down.
See the board.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it's okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Excuse
Okay.
me,
So the next question, it is 32 plus 22 is equal to 54. This is the question. So for this question, you have to frame a question.
This is not
Frame
coming.
a question.
Ma'am, right? Is this not coming?
It will come. Wait a minute.
Yes, come.
And what you have to do for this? You have to frame a question. So start with there are, and you can choose your own things for making this question. Okay. Frame the question. You can choose your own objects or favorite things. Animals, toffees, or something like that.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, yes.
I am completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board. 54.
54, there you have to write this, frame a question for this. So start with the sentence, there are 32. Anything you can write, butterflies or birds.
Ma'am, this is the answer.
This is the answer. You have to frame a question.
Ma'am.
Understood, my dears?
Ma'am, like this. FRUITS.
Hmm?
Ma'am, like this. FRUITS.
Like this, you have to start writing. Write the sentence with there are 32. You can write here something, any other names, and 22, any other things. Like this, you have to frame a question. That is what I told you. Okay, this answer I will send to the group. So that time you have to check it. So now you write in your own way, and I will give the chance to read any one student.
Sandy, I have it.
Anyone completed the second one?
Yes. Karthik not completed. I am completed.
Karthik completed?
Completed. No.
Okay, then please write.
Please write the next one. Please write the next one.
Wait. Next one, be ready with your workbook. Please be ready with your workbook. Next, we are going to write in the workbook.
I know workbook.
You don't have the workbook.
I know workbook.
What?
I have a workbook.
And where it is?
Workbook.
You didn't get from the school. Please collect it. Okay.
Workbook.
Okay. So listen here. Listen, my dears. So next we are going to write. All of you, please mute your mic, everyone. Please mute your mic. Then only you can clear my sound. You can hear the sound properly. In between, if you are talking, no, it will be a disturbance for our class. So please. Okay, so now all of you take your maths workbook, page number 24. Page number 24, please take. This is the page number 24. Okay. You can see some pictures on this screen. Take your Maths workbook, part 1, page number 24. And we are going to do the first one. Okay, Aaron, please unmute. Aaron, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the first question, you can see some pictures, right? Here, how many pictures are there? Please count and tell me. Please count and tell me. How many are there?
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
How many?
16.
Is it 16? Please count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here in the first picture, there are 17. And please count the next picture. How many are there here? Please count and tell me.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. 10. Okay. So how to find out the total number? 17 plus 10. So you can do it by the side. 17 plus 10. Please add and tell me the answer. How many are there? You can write, arrange the numbers in the proper place. 17 plus 10. So add the ones place number 7 plus 0. What is the answer? 7 plus 0? 7 itself, isn't it?
27.
Yes, 27. So here what the answer is 27. All of you please write is 27. And where is the answer option? 27 option is option B. So you can write here B. So now what we done? We add the numbers together for finding the total. Okay. Okay, Neva. Neva, please unmute and tell me the next picture. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, 12 are there here. And in the next one, again count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, here also 12 are there. So you have to add and tell me the total number. 12 plus 12. Please add 12 plus 12.
4.
Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then the tens place
2.
2. So the answer is 24. So he can write here 24. And where is the option 24? The option A. So right here. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Next, Anna Rose. Anna Rose, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me the next third question. How many are there in the first picture? Count and tell me.
11. 11.
11. Okay, so here 11 are there. And next one?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
12. Okay, so please add 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12.
23.
Yes, in the ones place 3 and here 2. 23 is the answer. So all of you please write the answer here 23 and which option it is? Option B. Finish the first 3 questions over.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then I will show you the next. The next one is, take the next page. Next page is
25.
page number 25.
Ma'am. No. See the board.
It will come now. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the next page. And Agnes Aji, please read the fourth question. Fourth question.
The sum of
The sum of 25 and
the sum of 25 and 25 is
dash. So what is mean by sum, everyone? What is mean by sum? Yes, the answer of addition, isn't it? The answer of addition is known as sum. So for getting the answer, what we have to do here? For getting the answer, for getting the sum, what we have to do? We have to add the numbers, right? 25 plus 25. So please do it by the side and check the answer. What is the answer? All of you please add. Please add and check the answer. 25 plus 25. Please add. Is Aldrin Joseph present? Aldrin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Antonio? Is Antonio Thomas present?
Yes, present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Got the answer.
Badra? Is Badra present?
40. 50.
Okay, here 5. We have to start from the ones place. 5 plus 5.
Option A.
Hmm.
5 plus 5, 10.
Yes, yes. So, Agnes, please tell me. 5 plus 5. What is the answer? 5 plus 5.
10.
10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. We can write it by the side. And 0 will come in the ones column. 1 will carry forward to the tens column. Then add the tens place. 1 plus 2.
1 plus 2 equals 3.
3. Yes. 3 plus the next number 2.
3
3 plus 2 is
5.
5. So the answer is 50. So you can write, all of you write the answer here, 50. And which option it is? Option A. So please write here. Next, Aldrina, please unmute Aldrina and
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
5th one. Question number 5. Please read the 5th question. Which is the please
Which
mm,
the missing
digit in 45 plus
45 plus
48.
8.
Yes, you can see 45 plus 48 is equal to dash and 1 3 is also there. So for getting the answer, what do you have to do? All of you please add the numbers 45 and 48. Please add it, everyone, and check the answer. Yes, Aldrina, have you got the answer? What is the answer in the ones place? 5 plus 8. While we are adding 5 plus 8, what will be the answer? 8 in our mind, 5 on the fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is a 2-digit number. So we can write it by the side. Cut the ones place and write under the ones column. The tens we will carry forward to the tens column. Then add the tens place first. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is
8.
5. 5 plus 4. 9, isn't it? 93 is the answer. So 93, you can see here, it is 3 is already there in the question. So we can write here 9. Okay. So the option is D. Option D. Okay, Angela, please read the next one. Question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read it.
The sum of
Hmm.
300
Hmm.
and 500.
300 and 500 is dash. So when you are getting a question, the sum of, what do you have to do for getting the sum? We should add the numbers, right? So it is a
Yes.
3-digit number. So we have to write 300 plus 500. Please add, everyone. What is the answer? What is the answer, Angela?
800.
800. Very good. That is the correct answer. So here you can write 800 and the option again it is D. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Then Muhammad Faizan present. Is Muhammad Faizan present? Oksana? Is Oksana present? What about Nanna Sajil? Joanna Rose? Joanna Rose present? Joel Jomi? Joel Jomi. Okay. Then next question for Sri Parvati. Sri Parvati, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the 7th question?
22 plus 38 is equal to 38 plus 22.
Very good. 22 plus 38 is equal to 38 plus 22. Which property of addition it is? Which property of addition it is? It is commutative property, isn't it? In the commutative property, we had studied when we change the order of the numbers, the sum will be the same, isn't it? So 22 plus 38 is equal to 38 plus 22. Correct answer. Very good, Sri Parvati. Okay. Next, Buana. Buana, please read the 8th question.
Very short.
Yes. Okay, please read the 8th question. Regroup the sum. We regroup the sum. If the sum of the digits is more than more than 10 or 9. 9, isn't it? We regroup the sum. When we are adding the ones place numbers, if the sum is more than 9, that time only we will regroup the numbers. Okay? At what time we will regroup the numbers? When we are getting in the ones place sum, if it is more than 9. More than 9 means from 10 onwards. 10 is a 2-digit number, right? So 10 onwards we will regroup. So the answer is we regroup the number if the sum of the digit is more than 9. Okay, please write the answer. And the 9th question. While adding two numbers, always start from the dash place.
One place.
Very good. always we have to start addition from the ones place. Okay.
While adding two numbers, always start from ones.
The ones place. Okay. So here today we completed 9 questions and we will continue it in the next class. Today it's time to wind up our class. So study well. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.